I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Amazon and signing in. This links your searches to your account. Once signed in, make sure you're on the home page or the app main screen. On desktop, hover over Account and Lists, while on mobile, tap the profile icon. Then move your focus to the search bar at the top. Amazon surfaces recent searches and shortcuts there. This first step is essential because Amazon stores history per account and device. Confirming you're signed in prevents confusion between guest data and your saved history. Once you've opened the search bar, you'll see a list of recent queries and suggested items tied to your account. To dig deeper, go to Account, select your browsing history, and then Manage History. This page shows product views and search-related activity. Make sure to use filters or the Remove button to delete specific items. This helps narrow results. Also note differences between devices. If results look incomplete, check the app and desktop separately and sync by refreshing or signing out and back in. To finish, clear or pause history as needed. On your browsing history, use Remove for single items or Remove All to clear everything, and toggle Pause to stop future tracking. Once done, make sure changes synced by refreshing the page or reopening the app. If updates don't appear, clear the app cache, sign out and back in, or check whether you have multiple Amazon accounts causing mixed results. If problems persist, contact Amazon support through the app for account-specific troubleshooting and verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.